Hello, my name is Cheryl Meyer, and I'm the author of It Feels Good to Feel Good, which is a book that I wrote about my journey from pain and autoimmune disease to eliminate toxins in my life and reduce both the inflammation and the pain that I had from autoimmune. I was selling books mostly when I was speaking in the area, so that I would sell maybe 40 books each time that I spoke, but I was only selling maybe 2 books a month on Amazon. And Nikki commented that she really had good success with keyword advertising on Amazon, so I hired her in the middle of May to teach me keyword advertising. Between the middle of May and the end of May, I sold 30 books using Nikki's keyword advertising protocol. And then in the month of June, I sold another 50 books using her keyword protocol. And I haven't finished the training yet. I got hung up that I'm moving on Monday to Sedona, so I didn't do I am not adding more keywords and adding to it and learning the next steps, which I'll do once I get to Sedona. So I just want to tell you, if you're an author and you have a book and you want to sell books, Nikki's program is fantastic. She's very patient. She teaches you step by step how to do keywords in Amazon, and they certainly have made a huge difference for me in selling books. So I strongly recommend Nikki, her teaching method, and what she teaches you in her program for keyword advertising. Thank you.